Let's call this Fun with Plastic Bags. Kids, don't try this at home. What you got there? Huh?
I want to take a picture.
No. We're taking a video. Let's see. We gotta wiggle the baggie.
And take a picture already.
He's quick. How about his ball? Should we get him playing with his ball?
Mhm.
Oh, look at himself. What's in there?
A pony.
Wash your face. What's in there? No, don't put your hand in. Get it! Whoa! No. Stop.
This is toy color.
Evan?
Okay. Here's a what's up there?
What's he doing?
Annie.
Is he licking himself? See if he goes after the string here.
Well, do it with me behind him.
Oh, here he comes. Woo! Ooh.
What's he doing?
You should get the feathers.